Now, ladies and gentlemen, I've been eating crabs all my life, and I did laugh at me mate when he showed me this way I'm about to show you. That's my normal crab cooker, and the burner. You can do about 7 to 9 crabs at once. But I'll show you the new way. I don't even use this anymore. I'll show you why. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is a trick I got taught by a pro crabber. Been asked by a mate to do a video of. So all you do, you wrap him that way with cling wrap, close it all up, get the cling wrap, go back around in the other way, wrap him nice and tight this way, and get all them legs and claws in tight. We got the crab present.
Connor, what are you doing?
Get a plate. Straight in the microwave.
Yeah.
I laughed at me mate when he told me this. Feet down to start with, just because you got to flip it, so you want all the juices to stay in the crab, so they'll stay in the carapets. 4.5 minutes. And we'll flip him. As soon as he's flipped, 4.5 minutes again. Put him straight into the sink. Run the water on him, and she's good to go. Beauty.
Yeah.
20 seconds left. I've already flipped him and done the second 4.5 minutes. So this is after, it takes 9 minutes of crab, so 10 seconds I'll get him out, and we'll get him out of this clad wrap. Then I just chill him in the fridge or whatever. And me and the daughter will eat them for lunch, as we're the only ones in the house. See that? Cooks in all its own juices. You can hear the steam. It's like steaming them, but in their own juices. Look at that. Perfectly cooked crab. I'll cool him down, get him out, and give you a look. Yeah. And there we have it, guys. Beautifully cooked mud crab. I'll chuck him in the fridge, and I'll give you a look at us when we're eating him later. The daughter's favourite. He's a heavy crab too. It'd be 1.5 kilos. Yeet, yeet. Crab number 2. Going for a nice hot sauna. Come out looking nice and toasty. Once again, 4.5 minutes. Got 7 crabs to do, so it'll take some time, but I'm not doing anything anyway. Once again, once he's done, 4.5 minutes. Flip him, 4.5 minutes. Straight in the sink. Num 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 num. Bob's your uncle. I'm gonna hold off to eat this crab, but she's been begging and begging.
Yeah, Daddy's got
Have a go at her. We'll go out the back and do it.
Yeah. But Scooby's not going to try some.
Scooby's not having any. Come on, out the back.
It's not open, Scoob.
We can have the crab now, baby.
Wait.
And by the look, she's cooked to perfection. Have a go at that, baby. I'll crack that nipper open for you.
Not me.
Yummy, eh? When you cook it in the microwave. Alright. Try and get, instead of just pulling the nipper, try and get this knuckle here. You pull it at the right thing. You pull most of the meat out of the body as well. Don't mind if I do. Let's see what's inside this nipper. Crab is that full. This crab is that full.
Yeah.
Have a go at that, ladies and gentlemen. Cooked to perfection. It's that full it's stuck to the shell. Oh. Queensland lollipop. Oh. That is heaven from the ocean. You may I help you with that, baby? You hold the camera and Daddy will open it for you.
Yeah.
Hold this.
That's a good idea.
Can you film?
Yeah.
Hold there. Let you show you. Open in the nipper. One crack there. One crack there. One crack there. All the way around. Oh, look at that, Baba. I'll get all this shallow for you, baby, so you can have it easy.
I just want one piece of that.
Okay.
Like one of
Okay.
that pizza.
Oh, my baby girl, what do you think?
Yum, yum.
All right, get him in there, big bite. Oh, that looks yummy. I know it's yummy because I'm halfway through mine. All right, folks, we're gonna finish this off. I'll see you on the next one. Say bye-bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.